showing you how to use GoNoodle. If you've not heard about it before, GoNoodle is a classroom application of a series of web-based videos, games, and activities that allow students brief bursts of physical exercise that are fun yet beneficial to the brain. Teachers love using this application for a multitude of reasons. First and foremost, the application is free. Yes, free. GoNoodle has been designed for use in the average classroom. Any teacher, anywhere, can create an account and start using the movement activities right away. All a teacher needs is a computer with up-to-date browsers, a stable internet connection, and a screen that allows all students to see, so a projector or interactive whiteboard. To begin, go ahead and open your internet browser. I'm using Google. Type in GoNoodle to your search bar. Go ahead and click search. And then you want to click on the link, and it's usually the first one to appear. You will then be taken to GoNoodle's homepage, and on the top right corner of your screen, you will see a Get Started Now button. Go ahead and click on that. And then you will have the option to sign up as a family or as an educator. For our purposes, you will want to sign up as an educator. So go ahead and click on the button, and then you will be redirected to set up your profile, and it takes no time, 2 simple steps. You're going to provide your name, your email, a password, answer the question, how did you hear about us, and give your birth date. And then it's going to ask you to join the school you're at. I'm at Ocean Beach, and then go ahead and agree to all of the terms and conditions. So once you're in, there are endless possibilities of fun. It's great because all of the videos and activities offered are research-based and designed to be healthy for the body, engage student interest, and benefit the brain. And you can find this by going to categories, and it's separated into, different purposes of what you are looking for. So curriculum with math, science, language arts. Students could practice mindfulness. There are some sensory and motor skills, school life, and specific movement types. And it's nice because the videos also motivate students to stay active, because each class chooses a champ, which is a virtual mascot, who grows as the class earns points needed to advance to the next level. So how you find your champ is you go to the top left section of your page. And so right here it says our champ collection. Here we go. So these are all the champs you can select from as a class. And as I said, the more videos you do as a class, the champs change as you advance to the next level. So students are continuously rewarded for engagement by helping their champs grow. So not only is GoNoodle super accessible for all teachers, but there are 3 key features of this application that allow teachers to be flexible when using the app. And it's super important to be flexible as a teacher, because you never know, what your day is going to consist of, and it might not always follow a set plan. So one of the key features of this application is that it is fast. So you're going to go ahead and go to the right top of your screen, click on this little search symbol, and it can filter the interactive videos you want by duration of time. And the time content has a variety of lengths from anywhere from 1 to 10 minutes. And so you can see that based on the needs of the students, whether it's just like a quick video that you want to use to transition activities, or if you find that the students, they aren't really paying attention at all, then maybe you want to use a longer video to let them get their wiggles out. So this feature is very great to filter the time of the videos to the specific needs of your students. Another feature that is great for flexibility of teachers is that if you have multiple classes, you can easily set up an account for each class so that each class has their own game progress, champ, and rewards. So you're going to go back to the top left corner where you find your champ, okay? And then you just press on the change class button. And so this is my class right now, but if I had another class, I just add new class, okay? And then let's see, I'll say it's let's just say second class. Not very creative on the names right now. So how many students? Let's say 25. What grade? Kindergarten. And then you're going to pick Let's Play. And then again, you're going to pick whatever champ you want for the class. And then you press Play Flappy Tuckler. And then this is kind of where your progress is tracked for each class. And I don't know why it didn't show me that the first time, but there you go. So you can see there's a different bar for each class. So that's super helpful. And then the last feature I think is super helpful for teachers and their abilities to be flexible is that if you go to channels, so this is kind of where all of the videos within this app come from. So for example, a lot of the videos come from Kids Bop, okay? So you can kind of see the sources of where these activities come from. Go back. Down at the very bottom, if you click Added from YouTube, you can add your favorite activity breaks from YouTube. So this is where, for example, if you have other videos that aren't already in this app, you can add them. So I'm going to press Got It, add a video from YouTube. And so I know of a video person by the name of Jack Hartman who creates educational songs that are super interactive and have students move around. So like for example, if I wanted to take his video on Let's Get Fit and count to 100, I would just go ahead and copy this link from YouTube, paste it into the URL spot right here, and then I can determine what level of energy this video entails, and I believe it's medium because you have to dance out as you count to 100. So I'm going to add that, and then you have the video right here all in one place. So we'll go back. Beautiful, right? So if you have other videos you use with your students prior to transferring over to GoNoodle, there is a spot where you can just add everything that you like to make that transition smoother. So yeah, this app is super, super useful. There's so many options to get your kids engaged, whether it's dancing to content that's like academic or helping, your social emotional awareness. There are just endless possibilities. So that is a wrap for this application. I highly recommend it to all you teachers out there.